everybody, welcome back to Best Life and Beyond. We are in Glendora, California.
Right on Route 66, we are here to visit the famous Donut Man. The best donuts you will ever have in the world. They're famous for their filled strawberry donut.
That's right.
So we're gonna get some donuts and show you how delicious they really are.
Oh my
All right, everyone, come with me. We're going to the Donut Man in Glendora. Let me show you. Come here, look at this sign. And this is what it's all about, the fresh strawberry donuts. Look at, you got this tiny little section way to get through, and they just pass through. Good job getting your donuts. Let's see what else we got here.
Oh, look at
Here
red velvet.
It is, my friend.
That's red velvet.
There's a red velvet. I think those are cake. Yeah, they're not filled. Okay, then we got the chocolate. I used to call those chocolate Long Johns.
Well, they are. They're chocolate bars, but they're long johns. They're super long. Look at that.
Oh yeah. Okay, and then over here, these are the topped with the cream cheese and the stuff that you would put in a filling. So it's like, I think, blueberry, raspberry, and lemon curd.
Yeah.
There's the original glazed raised down there.
I'm a fan.
There's the tiger tails. We have to get some of those.
The sought after tiger tails. There they are. Those are probably warm too. They're probably fresh because they make donuts here 24/7.
Oh yeah.
And then look at that.
I think that might be a buttermilk.
That's a buttermilk bar.
I think that's a buttermilk
proper
bar.
buttermilk bar. Wow.
There they are, the strawberry donuts.
There's also peach ones, but those have to be in season. I think closer to summer, you'll see the peach ones, right?
June maybe?
June, yeah.
There's just more on the other side.
More on the other side, yeah. There's some cake donuts.
Look at all of these.
The Krillers. We've acquired the box. Look, there's Jim right there. There he is. The owner, the creator, the donut man himself on the box. Peach donut, strawberry donut. We got a strawberry, a couple of those. We're kind of on the back of the trunk of the car. Because there's some benches to sit at, but there's no real tables, so we needed a table. So we came to the back of the car, and now Katie will do the reveal. So here we go, ready? Oh, angelic music is playing.
Gosh.
Katie's getting chills.
I got a yeast, like the glazed chocolate, so good.
Raised glazed, as
and you got
it.
the I can't say it.
It's a cruller.
Yes.
The strawberry.
It's fresh strawberries and they're like tossed in glaze. And I do want to make mention, you could eat these with a fork, but you're not going to get everything like combined.
I would say maybe the first, you get a few off the top and then you go for the bite because you're going to lose one.
My mouth is watering right now.
Oh my
And it's
goodness.
Pretty heavy. It's the size, it's like as heavy as like a softball, but maybe heavier.
That is what we came for, you guys. There it is.
It's just dripping.
All fresh strawberries, locally grown, we think, because that's how it always was. These were, it's all citrus and fruit fields out here, right?
Yeah, it used to all be strawberry fields out here.
Because we're right next to the mountains. There's the mountains up there at St. Gabriel's.
Yep.
Mount Baldy, that way. We're, oh boy, what's going on? Did you took a bite without the camera. Oh my gosh, look at it. She's already guilty. So guilty.
I couldn't even stop myself. It was like it was
a reaction. You just...
No, it was literally, I was like, just a little nibble, he won't know it. Gonna get messy, I apologize. Oh gosh!
See, look at what
I dropped a berry.
I told you that would happen.
Okay. Oh my gosh. It's as good as I remember. If not better. Bye, Felicia. Oh my god.
You'll be wearing that by the end of this.
Uh-huh. Oh, indeed.
It's
not overly sweet, too.
So what if I told you right now, you gotta put that down and stop right now?
Nope. You have to get it all in one bite because it's not the same. If you just eat a strawberry or just a bite of the donut, it's not the same.
I can smell it if that is any indication.
It was all over my face and I don't even care. Guess I should let you have some now, huh?
This is true tailgating right here. Look at our setup. Legit tailgating. Yeah, one little napkin and Katie is a mess.
Now Spence is gonna get as messy as humanly possible.
I'm gonna try not to, but we'll see how this goes. All right, I had to set the camera up on the roof because I can't let Katie touch it. Her hands are so sticky and messy from this.
No problem, I'll just keep
I refuse to let her touch the camera, so I propped it up. Here we go. Let's see how this goes.
If you do this without being messy, I'll be impressed. Oh, well.
Gosh.
You have it all over your face.
I know.
I love it.
Alright, one more bite.
So good, huh? What do you think of the donut?
It was really good.
You wouldn't let me hold the camera.
No, you were a mess. There was no way. I've gotten my camera back sticky before, and this was not going to happen today.
Not today.
I'm gonna try
the cruller.
the Cruller Classic. Oh my god.
Right?
That's crazy.
It's good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And it's really light too. They also have a like a donut man dozen, I think it is. And you get one of every donut. If I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong.
I'm gonna take this last bit, just one bite, watch.
I still have it all over my, oh my gosh. I feel like I still have donut all over me. I can't stop, like it's so good. I didn't even show you the deliciousness. I really wanted to save this, but I'll just have to get more.
Look at you got strawberry on it.
Yeah, a little bit, which I didn't want to happen. I don't like fruit with my chocolate.
Yeah.
You know this.
Look at she's wiping it off, yeah.
I'm mad about it. That's why, okay, there we go. I mean, they're nice and they cover it, but it was my bad.
Yeah.
Look at how light and fluffy. Like, are you kidding me right now?
Super, huh?
Look at that. That's what a yeast donut should look like. As you can see, this is a busy parking lot. It's busy. There's normally a line around the corner all the time.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. That is what, oh my gosh. All right, you guys are here for the strawberry donut. I'm taking it?
Absolutely.
Oh, have you had it before?
First time.
This is your first time?
Not from the area.
Oh, you're not. Where are you from?
Northern California.
NorCal. Did you drive here for the donut?
Oh no, actually, we did.
You did? Oh, he was gonna hide it.
Just for the donuts.
Okay. Well, you'll have to let us know what you think, but I will tell you that strawberry donut is life-changing.
Amazing.
It is life-changing. The Tiger Tail I highly recommend as well. All right, guys. You guys enjoy your donut.
Thank you. Thank you.
We have a cousin that lives in Denver, and he saw it on the internet, saw Donut Man on the internet, and he said next time he comes to California, he wanted to know how far we were, and we had to bring him because we're only about 3 miles away.
Oh my gosh. You said you've been coming here since you were a kid?
A kid, but it's still the best place to go to.
Still the best
So
donuts.
I had to get my memories before even seeing my parents.
Wow.
I'm from North Dakota, so this is the place to come whenever.
Look at that. You heard it here, folks. All right, we're getting a little to-go order. I got my grandma buttermilk, and we got some, oh, there's my change. Thank you, sir. Look at that. Yes.
All right, so Katie's gonna break me off a piece of this.
Break me off a piece of that tiger
I
tail.
knew you were gonna do that. You mash up the Kit Kat song there.
I just want to do a slow rip apart. Oh, can you hear that? What is that? Angels singing? Is that what that is?
Oh boy.
Oh, it sounds like angels singing. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Spencer, I now grant you the tiger tail.
Oh wow, yeah, it is official. Yeah, here we go.
Okay. What do you think? Let's see what you think. So good, huh? You look happy.
I have had one of these before.
You have?
This is really good.
You look really, really happy right now.
They're so light.
Right? Like, that's the thing. You would think, like, oh, I can't eat that whole thing because it's so, like, ginormous, but it's really light and
Everything
airy
about it,
and...
is as light as it can be.
Yeah,
so.
Jim the Donut Man knows what's up. He has, he's a genius.
Just so far is my favorite.
Yeah, and if you watch the story, I think I saw the story somewhere. If you watch it on the internet, he was talking about how like his friend had all these strawberries and was like, "Hey, can you just find a way to make, you know, a donut for these strawberries? I'll just give them to you."
Yeah.
And
then, boom.
yeah, he just put some glaze on it, and
I want to take a bite of the heel.
oh yeah, that is a different situation there. That is a different situation. See what you think. You look so happy.
That's the bite. It's like the first bite of pizza. First bite of it.
Look at, they got donuts. Yeah. What'd you guys get?
We got the twist. What is it called?
You got the tiger tail?
Tiger tail?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Strawberry.
And you got the strawberry?
The cream cheese. Is that what it is?
You got the cream cheese? Let me
Oh,
take a
they're
look
good.
in
They're
these
one of my
boxes.
favorites.
Oh my gosh, those look incredible. Look at you guys. Do you guys have a his and hers box? Is that what this is?
I know, we basically got the same thing. But
This is incredible.
we're first cousins, so we basically share the same DNA.
That's great.
Same taste.
So you know. Have you guys been coming here a long time?
I've been coming for about 5 years, but
Really?
he is from Indiana.
Really?
Yeah.
So is this going to be your first time?
It's my second time
Okay.
out here, but I worked.
It's your
for
first time
Disneyland.
having-
But it's your first time
Oh, yeah,
having Donut
these,
Man.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh my gosh, I'm curious to know what you're gonna think. You're gonna love
You should
these.
take your first bite.
Maybe you should do this because it's not often that you're on Best Life and Beyond.
All right.
So let's see. Oh, and the straw. Oh my gosh,
He
we're
is
gonna
living
watch
his best
the.
life.
You
He's
are
going to
living your
Disneyland
best
right
life. Yeah, this is it. Wait, you're going to Disneyland? Is that what you just said?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy for you right now. This really is living your best
That's
life.
it.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Do you want me to hold the
It's
box?
gonna be messy. It's gonna be messy. Like, I'm just warning you now. You're gonna have some falling out, but it's worth every minute. Maybe set that strawberry aside. That's what we did. Okay. Oh, this is a moment, you guys.
I did the same thing when he had his first In-N-Out. I took a video.
Oh my gosh. What do you think?
I want to live here just for the food. It makes me so sad. I
It's
don't
so
get to have
good. Oh, look at that. He's like, just look at. He's like, give me my box. Give me my box. Now he's gonna walk away to Disneyland.
I told you need to move out here.
Dude, now you know
He
why.
doesn't move here for me. He would move here for the food.
For the food. For the food. Well, thank you for letting us experience that with you.
It was worth it.
It was worth it, wasn't it? Okay, so this gentleman's walking out and he's got tiger tails sticking out of the bag. Were you already digging in?
Absolutely.
Have you been coming here a long time?
Well, I've been living in California since 1998.
Uh-huh.
This is the donut place.
This is the spot for you, huh? Do you
I'm
only
making my
get...
tour to LA right now.
Look at you. You have to stop here though, huh?
Spots.
This is it.
my
Dude,
day off.
enjoy your tiger tails.
I will. Thank you.
All right, well that wraps it up here in Glendora. Donut Man, there it is behind Katie. Oh my gosh.
So good.
I'm so amped right now. I'm like, sugar!
Yeah, we had a lot of sugar, but it was delicious. Highly encourage you guys to get out here and try yourself some Donut Man donuts.
Seriously.
You will not regret it.
Nope.
If you like this video, let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. And if you want to support Best Life and Beyond, you can become one of our Patreon members. We'll put all that information in the description box right there below.
We will, and we'll see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody!